Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just spending the day at home today. I have a lot of things to catch up on emails and like house errands, and I tried to tidy up my office and quite frankly it's not going that well. It's still super messy. But I was thinking that I wanted to film something for you guys today since I'm at home, and I thought that I would film a bag unboxing because I got a new purchase. It's from Louis Vuitton. I decided to treat myself over my birthday, and I thought that I would do an unboxing video for you guys because I haven't done an unboxing video in a while. I don't splurge on bags a lot. I think the last time that I got a bag was like my Dior saddle one, like beginning of the year I think, and I mean I've already sold it because it was just like one of those like fun bags. It wasn't like a classic bag that was in my wardrobe. I really wasn't planning on getting this, but I went to check out the new Louis Vuitton store on Bond Street, and it's absolutely beautiful and it's massive, by the way guys. And yeah, I had a screenshot of a few of the bags that I wanted to try on, and then I tried this on and I was like, oh, this, like, she's a beauty, absolute beauty. So yeah, let me unbox her for you guys. So I got her about 2 weeks ago and she's just been sitting in my room. I have not touched her. I suffer with this thing where it's like buyer's guilt whenever I buy something like a big purchase. You guys might relate, I don't know, but I just get really guilty for at least like a week, so I don't touch my purchase and then I kind of like unbox it. Yeah, I'm a little bit odd like that. She is beautifully packaged. The guy at the store was really nice too. I think I'm gonna actually keep this ribbon because it's so beautiful. Dun dun dun! Oh, that new fresh bag smell. Are you guys ready? Oh, she's so pretty! Okay, I'm gonna put the tag that goes in the front on, and then I'm just gonna sort out the straps and then I'll show you guys properly. Okay, so here she is. So the style of this bag, I am gonna butcher this, by the way, because I am not good at accents and I do not speak French, but it's called the Boy Chapeau Souple bag, I think, and I got this in a medium size. They do come a lot smaller, and the smaller one I think is a hard shell and this one is like a soft shell material. I am in love with this bag. It has literally been screenshotted on my phone for a while now, keeping it really simple and classic but having the bag like in the round shape like a hat box. I just really like the modern twist on that. So she comes with a beautiful tag at the front. You can write your name or address at the back if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it blank. And then at the back there is also like a little pocket to just keep your cards in if you want. On the inside, if we open this up, it's like a lot of room. I can definitely fit a lot in. I will film a what's in my bag for you guys next week when I actually use her properly. Overall, super happy with my purchase. Decided to treat myself for my birthday because I turned 25 and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need to treat myself. And then she also comes with the lock and the key. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this lock, so I might actually just make this into like a necklace or something. But yeah, I think you're meant to put the lock by the zips, but I think I'm actually just going to make it into a really cool necklace. It comes with a little pouch to put the lock and key in, which I'm just going to keep it in there for now. What else does it come with? And it comes with a little card which tells you what material the bag's made in. This was like the scan code that he's left in there. And then it comes with like, you know, the standard typical care guide for the handbag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I am going to be taking her out tomorrow because I have a full day in London tomorrow. So I will be back next week and she will also be back next week. So we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!